Auzbillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear students. How are you? I hope that you all are fine and safe in your home. Please take care of yourself and your family. Today we are going to start our next video lecture of class 7th English, and this is our textbook. In last lecture, we started the Unit 2 Valiant Victor on book page number 12 and we completed its half part reading. Today we will read its next half part. But before going to start our today lecture, I want to recap the story and we want to check our PK knowledge. Okay. There is a character of Valiant Victor who is very funny and who claimed that he is very brave. So mostly people laughed at him, but at last he went to prove his bravery to another village. There he got a chance to fight with an elephant who always disturbed the poor farmer's field. But now the current situation is that after seeing this huge beast, the victor ran for his life. And what will happen next today we will read, okay? So we will read and start our on book page number 13 last paragraph. Book page number 13 last paragraph. So let's start to read with me. Suddenly the idea of being great hero did not seem attractive to poor Victor as he looked over his shoulder at the charging elephant. Suddenly mean achanak the idea of being great hero, being mean banna, great hero bada aadmi, did not seem attractive. Attractive mean अच्छा ना लगना to a poor Victor as he looked mean देखा over his shoulder अपने कंधे के पीछे at the charging elephant. The enraged beast was almost on the top of him when Victor ran between two massive trees. Okay, now the situation is that he is running and elephant is running before him. Now two massive trees mean huge trees in size. The elephant followed at the full speed, but then to Victor's relief, we got jammed. Who got jammed? Elephant got jammed between the two trees trunk, and struggle as he might, the elephant was wedged tight and could not move. Okay, now by fortune, Valiant Victor became safe because the elephant jammed between two massive trees. Okay, on next page, on book page number 14. After a while, the farmer cautiously ventured मोहतात तौर पर out to see if the little man had been trampled. Trampled mean कुचला जाना, underfoot. But to their amazement mean हैरान होना, there was Valiant Victor standing, putting his leg over the elephant trunk. Okay, now he proved that he is a brave. That you can check that Valiant Victor putting his leg on elephant trunk, who by now was so exhausted by this struggle that he was quite subdued. Subdued means dabe hue. When the farmer asked Valiant Victor how he had managed to catch the elephant, mean how he catched the elephant, he just shrugged. Oh, it was nothing, he said casually. He said casually mean aam taur pe, it was nothing. It turned out that elephant had a nasty mean gandi, thorn kaante embedded बांधे हुए. Okay, in his trunk, and the pain had caused him to run amok. Pain mean dard, cause mean वजह बना to run amok. Amok mean पागलों की तरह, दीवानावार. When the thorn was removed, thorn mean कांटे removed mean हटा दिए गए. The elephant soon became his normal self and was released. Released mean छोड़ देना by the farmers to go back and into the hills where the rest of her lived. Actually, now he ran for his life and he went to the jungle. Okay, next paragraph. Soon the news mean khabar spread out about Valiant Victor and the elephant, and he was hailed mean खुशामदीद, कहा जाना, welcome किया जाना, as a hero by everyone. That he killed a elephant and elephant ran away due to Valiant Victor. This was the story, dear students. The people of the town asked him to stay and live with them, but Valiant Victor declined. Decline mean इनकार कर देना. Declined invitation mean दावतनामा, saying that he was seeking fame. Seeking mean हासिल करना, fame mean शोहरत, and fortune किस्मत, and must carry on his journey. Journey means suffer. Actually, he want to seek more fame and he want to try more risk. Okay, next paragraph. So Valiant Victor left the town and continued to wander. Wander mean घूमना फिरना, and not knowing where he was heading, until he became to a place that was being terrorized. Terrorized means शिकार होना. by a savage tiger. Savage means Vashi. He would come in the night and make off with a calf or goat, and the people were so afraid. Afraid means khofzada, that they would lock themselves in their house until daylight. Now the same situation, as the farmer was disturbed by the elephant, the peoples of the town was disturbed by the savage tiger. Okay, when William Victor heard this, he said, "Have no fear. William Victor is here, and I will catch the tiger." Oh, he claimed that I am brave and I can fight with the tiger. Okay, next paragraph. That night, William Victor waited. Waited mean इंतज़ार करना, in the darkness, अंधेरे में, for the tiger. Tiger का to arrive, पहुँचने का, and sure enough, और बिल्कुल, after a short wait, he saw the great cat. Great cat mean tiger. Quietly padding toward. Padding mean दबे पवाना. When the tiger saw Victor just standing there waiting, now tiger can see the William Victor. He decided that he would make a fine meal. Mean खाना मिल गया. The tiger leapt. Leapt mean उछल कर छलांग मारना. Into the air with the roar. Roar mean धारना. It was then the William Victor's courage deserted him. Deserted mean आगे पीछे होना. Mean हौसले पस्त होना. He turned and ran away as fast as he could. Now William Victor started running, but the tiger simply took another great leap and almost grabbed. Grabbed mean पकड़ लेना. The running Victor with the sharp claws. Claws mean पंजे. On next paragraph, on next page, book page number 15. Unfortunately, the tiger did not see the overhanging branch. Overhanging mean लटकी हुई branch of tree, and he launched himself through the air with all his strength. Now the same situation as the elephant jumped into a tree, the tiger was catched by the overhanging branch of the tree. He came to a sudden head, at his head smacked against the branch, and he fell unconscious. Unconscious means कुछ समझ ना आना. At Victor's feet. Okay, now he fell down at Victor's feet. Victor could hardly believe his luck. Believe means यकीन करना. Luck mean किस्मत. For without a doubt mean किसी शक के, the tiger would have killed him if it had not been for the branch. Actually he was catched by the hanging branch. That's why he fell down into the Victor's feet. Next paragraph. William Victor thought he had better do something before the tiger woke up. He had to better mean बेहतर है, to do something कुछ कर जाना. Before the tiger woke up mean जाग जाए. So he called out to the villagers. Called out mean बुलाना. Villagers mean देहातियों को. Who were hiding mean छुपे हुए inside their house. Come on out. I have knocked the tiger out with the one blow. Help me to tie it up. Tie mean बांधने के लिए. Help mean मदद करें. Last paragraph. The people slowly opened mean khole their doors and came out one by one. And when they saw the tiger laying at William Victor's feet, they could hardly believe their eyes. And they quickly brought a rope. Rope mean rassi, and tied mean बांध दिया the tigers to a tree trunk. Tree trunk mean दरख्त के तने के साथ. And then took the animal to a cage. Cage mean पिंजरे में, ready to be taken to a zoo. Zoo mean चिड़ियाघर ले जाने के लिए. Of course, यकीनन Victor was a hero, and the news of his daring mean बहादुरी, deed काम की, spread फैल गई fair and wide, हर तरफ आगे पीछे. As he continued जारी रखना on his way, people would came out to see his great hero as he passing through their village. Okay, now the story is that William Victor proved himself that he is brave. And this was a story of a man whose passion to be brave, and its prayer is prayed by the God. And luckily the incident and his risk for bravery became true, and he became actual William Victor. Okay, dear student, this was our chapter reading. In next lecture we will inshallah solve its exercise. I hope that you enjoyed and learned many more. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.